Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are diving into the Chinese drama Beyond Plot and Betrayal, a thrilling series packed with family secrets, betrayal, and shocking twists. The story follows a powerful family where everyone is yielding something. When an old secret comes to light, relationships start falling apart, and the main characters discovers that the person is trusted the most is actually his worst enemy. Every episode brings new twist, emotional conformations, and jaw-dropping reveals that keep you glued to the screen. If you are fan of intense family drama and dark secret, Beyond Plot and Betrayal is one you can't miss. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more drama breakdowns right here on this channel. Thanks very much.